Sneezing in children. Almost anything that irritates or tickles inside your nose can cause you to sneeze. Dust and pollen can cause sneezing sometimes. It's due to hay fever. Cold air, pets, and pepper are also common causes of sneezing. Sneezing in children is a condition in which a child sneezes in reaction to an irritating solid, liquid, or gas that was inhaled. Common causes in sneezing in children are common cold, inhalation of dust, upper respiratory infection, inhalation of fumes, local irritation, hay fever, allergic rhinitis, foreign body, sinusitis, head injury, hypothyroidism, cluster headache, allergy, and inhalation of irritants such as pepper. Only a doctor can advise whether any of these treatments are appropriate for your specific medical situation. Always discuss all treatment options with your doctor before making a decision, including whether to start or discontinue any treatment plan.